One of my B2B clients was still managing sales on WhatsApp and Excel. After just 1 3-hour training, their entire sales team shifted from chaos to clarity, and now they have rolled out a full CRM for FY 25-26 under my guidance. Here is what changed. Most MSMEs today are stuck between growth, ambition, and system chaos. I have worked with founders across industries to break this cycle using AI-driven strategies, sales excellence, and inner clarity rooted in Vedanta. I am Abhanibhushan Bera, AI-driven MSME growth strategist and sales coach. This channel is for you if you are building something meaningful. Let's get into today's episode. This client runs a mid-sized B2B business in the industrial solutions space. They were scaling, getting more inquiries and expanding their client base, but something wasn't clicking. Despite good leads coming in, some follow-ups were delayed, some deals were slipping through the cracks, internal coordination was reactive, not proactive, sales was happening, but not systematically. I was invited to conduct a free 3-hour in-person sales training session for their team. The objective: help their frontline sales reps sharpen their consultative selling approach. What happened during that session went far beyond techniques. Now let me talk on the moment of realization, the CRM talk. As I walked them through how a structured pipeline works, one of the senior reps said, "Sir, honestly, we just use Excel and WhatsApp to track our leads. Most of us have our own ways." That statement lit a spark. I took 30 minutes right then and there to demonstrate, first, what a CRM pipeline looks like. Second, how deal stages clarify next actions. Third, how reminders can automate follow-ups. Fourth, how sales forecasting becomes reliable. And fifth, how one dashboard can align the entire team. The room went silent for a moment, and then came the nods. One of the participants said, "We have been chasing numbers without knowing what we are really chasing." That session did not teach them software, it gave them a new sales lens. Here is what they realized that day, something many MSMEs and even corporates miss. Without a CRM, leads live in memory, not systems. Follow-ups depend on mood, not structure. No one knows what others are working on. Sales forecasting becomes guesswork. Coaching becomes subjective. With a CRM, deal stages equals action clarity. Reminders equal consistent touch points. Notes equal institutional memory. Dashboards equal performance visibility. Reporting equals leadership alignment. I showed them how even free CRM tools like Zoho or HubSpot could assign leads, track history, score opportunities, and eliminate internal friction. Suddenly, CRM stopped feeling like admin work and started looking like their new sales engine. So, a new direction, CRM as a strategic priority. So, what happened next was both exciting and validating. Their head of sales and managing director sat down with me post-session and said, "This is the clarity we needed. We don't want to delay this any longer." They did not rush to buy expensive tools. Instead, they decided to first create a CRM implementation roadmap. Second, align internal processes first. Third, train the team gradually. Fourth, plan the CRM rollout in FY 25-26. Assign a dedicated CRM champion internally. One session planted the seed. Now, the entire sales strategy is being restructured around system-driven selling. And that's the power of CRM, not as a tool, but as a mindset framework. Now, here are 5 lessons from this transformation that every sales professional, MSME founder, and corporate team can apply. Lesson number 1. CRM is not about tech, it's about behavior. The best tool means nothing without sales hygiene and clarity of usage. Lesson number 2. Start with process, not platform. Before choosing software, define your deal stages, sales rhythm, and team responsibilities. Lesson number 3. Don't wait to scale up to use CRM. You need a CRM to scale, not after you have scaled. Lesson number 4. Visibility builds trust and accountability. When everyone knows where every deal stands, sales becomes a team sport. Lesson 5. One workshop can spark a revolution. Don't underestimate the power of training, conversation, and expert guidance. Now let me leave you with this. If you are managing leads in Excel, losing track of follow-ups, struggling to coach your team, or just overwhelmed by sales chaos, then CRM isn't a luxury. It's your next level necessity. So don't grow alone. Join hundreds of MSME founders inside the MSME Growth Hub, where real growth begins. Links in the description below. Subscribe for more clarity-led business breakthroughs.